Hey there, social media pros! Want to master Instagram stories like a boss? Meet the Instagram Story Post Composer, your ultimate tool for planning, scheduling, and managing engaging stories with ease. Using our AI generation tools, you can easily write a series of engaging posts in seconds. No more writer's block. This powerful feature is built right into your social planner, helping Instagram professional accounts streamline their marketing strategy. Whether you're posting instantly or scheduling for later, we've got you covered. You can upload up to 10 images or videos per story, perfect for crafting compelling narratives. The Post Composer is your secret weapon for staying ahead. Schedule stories for product launches, event promotions, content consistency, and even time zone management. No more missing peak engagement hours. Running a flash sale? Schedule start and end announcements with ease. So, ready to take your Instagram stories to the next level? Start using the Instagram Story Post Composer today and make your social media game unstoppable. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more social media tips. See you in the next video.